Hi, I am Priyanka Sahu and you are watching Priyanka Sahu online classes, and today we will discuss about drawbacks of Rutherford's model, electromagnetic radiation and also electromagnetic spectrum. So let us first discuss about drawbacks of Rutherford's atomic model. So what are the drawbacks of Rutherford's atomic model? The first drawback is inability to explain the stability of atom. According to Rutherford, an atom is consist of small, heavy, positively charged nucleus in the center and electrons are revolving around the nucleus. So, this is nucleus and this is positively charged and this is electron. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus and electrons are negatively charged. This is nucleus and these are electrons and electrons are revolving around the nucleus. He also compared this model with the solar system in which the planets are revolving around the sun. The planets are revolving around the sun in a particular or fixed orbit. There is attraction of sun to the planets. So, the planets must be attracted towards the sun and fall on the sun. But this does not happen. Why? There is a centrifugal force acted in the opposite direction of the sun. This is centrifugal force. And this centrifugal force balances the attraction of sun of the planets towards sun. ये है attraction याडे sun attract करूची याडे centrifugal force सेपटू को attract करूची opposite direction. So this balance है जाऊची. So planets are stable and they revolve around the sun in a fixed or particular path. But we cannot compare the structure of atom with the solar system. Why? There are some reasons we cannot compare. For this, we cannot compare the structure of atom with the solar system. What are they? The first point is electrons and nucleus are microscopic particles, but planets and sun are heavy bodies having heavy mass. These are large bodies having heavy mass, planets and sun, and these are microscopic particles. These are microscopic particles and these are large bodies. The first reason is these are large bodies having heavy mass and electrons and nucleus are microscopic particles. So, the Newtonian laws of motion, we cannot use here the Newtonian laws of motion, or Newtonian laws of motion do not apply here. We cannot apply Newtonian laws of motion here. And the second reason is what? The first reason is these are microscopic particles. We cannot apply Newtonian laws of motion here like sun or planets. And the second reason is what? Electrons and nucleus are charged bodies. These are charged bodies. Electrons are negatively charged and nucleus are positively charged. But planets and sun are neutral. These are neutral and these are charged body. So we cannot compare the solar system with the atomic structure. According to Maxwell कौन कहले? According to Maxwell कौन कहले? When a charged body is revolve around or revolve in a force of field, it continuously emit energy. ଯେତେବେଳେ କୌଣସି ଚାର୍ଜ ବଡି କୌଣସି ଫୋର୍ସ ଚାରି ପାଖରେ ବୁଲିବ, ଇଏ କ'ଣ କରିବ? କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସଲି ଇଏ କ'ଣ କରିବ? ଏନର୍ଜି ଏମିଟ୍ କରିବ. ସୋ according to Maxwell's law, ये कौन करिबो? इलेक्ट्रॉन इज नेगेटिवली चार्ज्ड बॉडी. इलेक्ट्रॉन होची नेगेटिवली चार्ज एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन आर रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर रिवॉल्विंग इन ए फोर्स ऑफ न्यूक्लियस रो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन रे ए चार्ज बॉडी टा कौन करूची? रिवॉल्व करूची. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मैक्सवेल्स लॉ और अकॉर्डिंग टू मैक्सवेल्स थ्योरी, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक थ्योरी, ये कौन करिबो? इलेक्ट्रॉन कंटिन्यूअसली एमिट एनर्जी. कंटिन्यूअसली कौन करिबो? एनर्जी एमिट करि चलिबो. सो इफ कंटिन्यूअसली इलेक्ट्रॉन एमिट एनर्जी यदि एमिट करिबो ताले कौन हबो? ये कौन करिबो? इलेक्ट्रॉन घुरुची का चारिपटे? न्यूक्लियस चारिपटे घुरुची. सो ये कौन करिबो? यार ऑर्बिट धीरे धीरे कमी जीवो. सो इलेक्ट्रॉन कौन करिबो? ना स्पाइरल पाथ रे गति करिकी इट्स ऑर्बिट कंटिन्यूअसली डिक्रीजेस एंड इट मस्ट फॉल ऑन द न्यूक्लियस. इलेक्ट्रॉन धीरे धीरे कौन करिबो? ना गोटे स्पाइरल पाथ रे घुरी 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 ये कौन करिबो? ना आसिकी न्यूक्लियस रे पड़ी जीवो. बा आमे कहि परिबा, आमे कौन कहि परिबा? जे एटम टा कौन हे जीवो? कोलैप्स कर जीवो. बट इट डज नॉट हैपन. एटम इज ऑलवेज स्टेबल. रदरफोर्ड कुड नॉट एक्सप्लेन द स्टेबिलिटी of the atom or could not explain why atom remains stable. The first drawback is what? Inability to explain the stability of atom. And the second drawback is inability to explain the line spectra of elements. Inability to explain the line spectra of elements. He could not explain why the elements produce line spectra. We will discuss what is line spectra in the next video. And the third drawback is what? Inability to describe the distribution of elements and their energies. Rutherford could not explain or could not describe how the elements are, how the electrons are arranged in the atom and also what are their energies. Let us discuss about wave nature of electromagnetic radiation or electromagnetic wave theory. Electromagnetic radiation, electromagnetic radiation, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड रे जो रेडिएशन हुए ताको हमें कौन कहिबा? इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन. क्लार्क, दिस थ्योरी वाज proposed by or put forwarded by Clerk Maxwell in 1864. The main points of this theory are: the energy is emitted in any source continuously in form of radiations and is called radiant energy. The energy is emitted in any source like from the heated rods or from the filaments of the bulb through which electric current is passed. So, the energy is emitted in any source. जेकोसी सोर्स भी आसुना कहीं is emitted in any source continuously in form of radiation. Is emitted in form of radiation and is called radiant energy. And the second point is the radiations consist of electric and magnetic fields oscillating perpendicular to each other and both perpendicular to the direction of propagation. Let's assume this is the direction of radiation and this is the plane of magnetic field and this is the plane of electric field, and magnetic field and electric field and also direction of propagation of wave are perpendicular to each other. जदि direction टा एई दिगरे रहे wave रो magnetic field रहिबो केमती, magnetic field जदि एमती जाए आउ electric field रो wave टा केमती ना एमती, इलेक्ट्रिक फिल्ड रो वेवटा एमती, मैग्नेटिक फिल्ड रो वेवटा होची एमती. तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड and direction of propagation are perpendicular to each other. These are perpendicular to each other. And the third point is the radiation possesses wave character and travel with the velocity of light. Radiation possesses wave character and travel with the velocity of light, that is nearly equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And the fourth point is these waves do not require any material medium for propagation. ये कौनसी material medium आवश्यक करे नहीं, जेमती like the rays of sun reaches on earth without any material medium. Let us discuss some important characteristics of wave. The main characteristics of wave are wavelength, frequency, velocity, amplitude, wave number, so what is wavelength? Wavelength कौन? This is the distance between two crests or the distance between two trough. What is crest? This is crest. This is crest. This is crest. This is crest. This is trough. This is trough. This is one wave. This is one wave from here to here. This is one wave. So what is wavelength? The distance between, it is the distance between two consecutive, two crest or two trough. And it is represented पाखापाखी दीटा क्रेस्ट आउ बा पाखापाखी दीटा ट्रफ रो डिस्टेंस को हमें कौन कहबा? वेवलेंथ कहबा. and this is represented by lambda and its unit is Armstrong, nanometer, picometer, meter, centimeter. What is Armstrong? 1 Armstrong is equal to 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter or 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. What is picometer? 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meter or 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So what is wavelength? The distance between two consecutive crests or two consecutive trough, and it is represented as lambda, and its units are Armstrong, nanometer, picometer, meter, centimeter. Then come towards frequency. What is frequency? The number of waves passing through a point in 1 second. गोटे पॉइंट देकी जेतिकिटा वेव जाइथिबे गोटे सेकेंड भितरे ताको हमें कोन कहबा? फ्रीक्वेंसी कहबा. द नंबर ऑफ वेव्स passing through a point in 1 second, and it is represented as nu. This is nu. This is nu, and its units are what? Number of waves passing through a point in 1 second is frequency, and it is represented as nu, and its unit as hertz is hertz. Its unit is hertz, or आमे कहि परिबा आउ कोन cycle per second or second inverse. So 1 hertz is equal to 1 cycle per second. Then come towards velocity. What is velocity? Velocity kono? It is the linear distance travelled by wave. It is the linear distance travelled by a wave. So, and it is represented as c. It is represented as c, and आमे कहि परिबा wavelength frequency आउ velocity मध्य रे relationship कोन? c is equal to wavelength into frequency, or lambda into nu. Lambda into nu. Lambda is the distance between two crests, or it is the distance between two trough, or it is the length of a wave. It is the length of a wave. This is lambda, and mu is the frequency, number of waves passing through a point in 1 second, and velocity is the distance travelled by wave in 1 second. The distance travel by wave in 1 second. Then come to, and its unit is what? Velocity ra kon? Meter per second. Its velocity is its unit is meter per second or centimeter per second. The unit of velocity is meter per second or centimeter per second. Then come towards amplitude. What is amplitude? This is amplitude, and it is represented as a. This is amplitude. This is amplitude. This is amplitude. What is amplitude? It is the height of crest, or it is the depth of. It is the height of crest or the depth of trough, and it is represented as a, and its unit is what? It is the unit of length, that is centimeter, meter. And what is wave number? Let's come towards the wave number. What is wave number? Number of waves present in 1 centimeter length. गोटे सेंटीमीटर लेंथ रे जेतिकिटा वेव रहिबो ताको हमें कोन कहिबा? वेव लेंथ, and it is reciprocal of lambda, and it is reciprocal of lambda, and it is represented as nu bar. It is represented as nu bar, and it is reciprocal of lambda, 1 by lambda, and its unit is centimeter inverse or meter inverse. So on. We already discussed about electromagnetic radiation. There are different types of electromagnetic radiations like cosmic rays, gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet rays, visible rays, infrared, microwaves, radio waves. They are differ only in their wavelength and hence frequencies. The wavelength of cosmic ray is smaller than gamma ray, and the wavelength of gamma ray is smaller than X-rays. The wavelength of X-rays is smaller than ultraviolet rays. The wavelength of ultraviolet rays is smaller than visible rays. the wavelength of visible rays is smaller than infrared, and the wavelength of infrared is smaller than microwave, and the wavelength of microwave is smaller than radio waves. ठीक सेमती आमे कहि परिबा कॉस्मिक रे रो फ्रीक्वेंसी गामा रे ठार अधिका and the frequency of gamma rays is larger than or greater than x rays. ये हूँ कौन ना वेवलेंथ अनुसार सजा है ठीक सेमती आम उल्टे देले आम कहीपर कॉस्मिक रे रो फ्रीक्वेंसी गामा रे ठार अधिका the frequency of gamma ray is greater than x rays and the frequency of x rays is greater than UV rays and the frequency of UV rays is greater than visible rays and the frequency of visible rays is greater than infrared. The frequency of infrared is greater than microwave and the frequency of microwave is greater than radio waves. जो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन रो वेवलेंथ अधिका तार फ्रीक्वेंसी कम जो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रो वेवलेंथ कम तार फ्रीक्वेंसी अधिका. When these electromagnetic radiations are arranged in order of their increasing wavelengths or decreasing frequencies, the complete spectrum obtained is called electromagnetic spectrum. Let us discuss a problem. Calculate wave number and frequency of yellow radiation having wavelength 5800 Armstrong. So, we have to calculate the wave number and frequencies. Wave number is equal to number of waves present in 1 second or wave number is equal to nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to 1 by lambda. Lambda होची wavelength. Wavelength हमर केते दे देची 5800 Armstrong. So we have to convert Armstrong into centimeter or meter. So 1 Armstrong is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter is equal to 1 by 5800 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter is equal to 1.72 into 10 to the power 6 meter inverse. So the wave number is equal to 1.72 into 10 to the power 6 meter inverse. And the second question is frequency of yellow radiation having wavelength frequency. So we have to calculate frequency. Frequency is equal to nu. So we know that c is equal to velocity is equal to c is equal to nu into lambda. Velocity होची कौन wave रा velocity is equal to the velocity of light. c is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So nu is equal to what? c is equal to nu into lambda. Nu is equal to c by lambda. c is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second and lambda is equal to what? 5800 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter is equal to what? 5.172 into 10 to the power 14. 14 यार होची कौन यूनिट होची कौन ना हर्ट्ज. सो आम एमती मध्य कहि परिबा ये मीटर मीटर कैंसल हो गला तो सेकेंड इनवर्स is equal to 5.172 into 10 to the power 14 second inverse per or cycle per second. So this is the wave number, this is the wave number and this is frequency. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.